Have you been struggling with social media content in your business? Then it's probably because you don't have content pillars. So keep on watching this video to learn more about them. Hey there, business owner. My name is Petra and I blog over at bigincomeparadise.com. And you are in the right place if you want to grow your small business with unique and outstanding social media content. So, subscribe to my YouTube channel and ding that notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. So, now let's cover what are content pillars. Basically, those are the most important topics that you will cover in your business posts. So, content pillars can be educational, engaging, promotional, community, business stories, and social proof. Now, I would recommend that you use educational, engaging, promotional, business stories, and social proof in your business, no matter what niche you're in. Okay. So, how can you use this content pillars? Here's my example. I'm using Trello and I created different content pillars. They have names like my stories. So basically, these are business stories, value posts, which is a content pillar, educational content pillar. Then sales posts, which is basically promotional content pillar. Then I have questions, which is for engagement, and my quotes and quotes in general, which is for community and also engagement. So, what you will need to do is first figure out what, let's say, top 3 to 5 content pillars you are going to have in your business. And then for each content pillar, you're going to go and find content ideas so you can fill this up because this is going to help you stay more organized and you're going to be ready to create content every single day. And that content is also going to be very, very specific. So you are going to attract your target audience. Now, if you don't know where to find content ideas for your pillars, what you can do is you can go check out my blog, Big Income Paradise, because I do share a ton of content ideas. You can also check out Pinterest, Facebook groups, Facebook pages, Instagram, YouTube, Quora, and so many more places where you can find a ton of content ideas. So, if you want to find 18 top places where you can find amazing social media content, then there's going to be a link down below to my blog post where I share those 18 top places. So, go ahead, click the first link in the description box below and go check out my blog post. So, thank you for watching this video. And please like my video so you can help me reach more people. You can help me get my video in front of more people. And please don't forget to subscribe to my video. So, see you in the next one.